All right, got a cheap terminal here. Let me down. Got the brand new one and a cap. Now what this cap is for is you put it on your terminal. Now if you don't have one of these, don't panic. You can go to your local auto parts store and get one. But if you need one in a pinch, just use a copper plumbing fitting, or you can use some machinist shim sock, whatever you have that is round, that will make a electrical connection and make it so it's tighter around the terminal. So let's open it up. Now you don't have to put the whole thing on. If you want to bust a piece off and just use that, go ahead, but I just put the whole thing on. All right, one of these, whichever one you pick, screws have to be out for the ground wire. Now inspect your negative cable, make sure there's no corrosion or nothing on that. If there is, clean it up. You can clean it up with a wire wheel. You can clean it up with some SOS pad, steel wool, whatever you got. Alright, after you stick it in there like so, take a 7/16 and drive her home. And you just stick her on there like so. You might need a helping hand to get on there, so you don't use anything conductive. Just take a hammer. Just take a piece of wood. Like so. Now, 1/2 inch. And there you go. Let's fire it up, see what happens. Alright guys, that's it. There we go. And that's how you fix your flimsy, not really tightening up terminal. And remember, if you got like a classic ride, always disconnect your negative terminal before you leave. That way you don't, burn down the garage or the car in the parking lot or the car in the driveway. So that's all I got for this episode. Later.